welcome back to my channel. It's me again with another unboxing. Today we're going to be doing Sephora Play for the month of February. I know I'm a little bit late on this unboxing, but I don't know, it took me forever to edit this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. As usual, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so usually I receive my boxes looking like this. It has the same sort of sign. It says love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. I guess you can just always go on the website and check out things. And this is the bag that I received this month. Obviously it's February, so it has the whole theme of love or Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna start with this little eye balm. I actually have this in full size, and I was super happy to receive this just because it is nice to travel with a little size one. I love the scent, and it actually does a pretty good job keeping my under eyes hydrated. I don't know how good it is in terms of like anti-aging. I do like it for moisturizing my under eyes, but I haven't noticed any anti-aging properties, and I don't think even claims to do that. It says boost elasticity, but it doesn't say that it actually prevents wrinkles. But I do like it, and I'm happy to receive a little sample just because I do like to keep this on my travel bag whenever I travel. Continuing on, I received this Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from the brand NARS. I'm a huge fan of these lip pencils. I have a couple. I'm actually wearing one right now. This one is called Rikugen. It's one of my favorites, and this is actually already super used up. But what I noticed on this box this month is that I actually received a full-size product, which is pretty cool. This one is in the color Let's Go Crazy. Super fit for spring. I'm not a huge fan of these colors. I think bright pinks kind of look a little funky on me, but I am happy to receive a full-size product that I can have on my collection. I can always put it on someone that I'm doing their makeup, or even dab it a little bit here in the middle and then just diffuse it for kind of like that ombre look. So I'm happy to have received this. Continuing on, I see this Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel exfoliant. I think this one is a chemical peel exfoliant or something like that, and I've been looking for one for a while, so I will give this a try. My only thing is it doesn't really explain how many times a week you're supposed to use it. I know these kind of things tend to be a little bit strong on your skin, so I do recommend that if you do have this box, to kind of look into how to apply this and how many times you can actually use it, just because it does remove dead skin, but I think he does it in a chemical way, so you just don't want to burn your skin. So happy to have received this, and it looks like I could get a couple usages out of it, so that's nice. Continuing on, I see this little stick from Laura Mercier. At first, I thought this was a concealer, and I'm always a concealer fan, or almost like a face product fan, but no, it's actually a caviar stick eye color. I've heard so much about this all around YouTube. People love these caviar sticks, so I'm happy to receive one in rose gold. I'm actually wearing an eyeshadow that's kind of similar to this color range, so super happy to have received this. This is obviously a cream shadow, and I don't know, I have to experiment with it and let you guys know what I think. Continuing on, I see this. This is a Sephora little mini lipstick. It actually came in the box, but I took it out. And this is in the color Rebel Chic. I think it's a winter red, which is, winter is almost over, but I feel like reds never go out of style. I can always wear this to dinner, or like a night that I'm feeling a little bit fancy. I do like the size. It's perfect for like your little cocktail purses. Super cute, so happy to have received this. I actually think that they said, and whenever they were promoting the box, said that they were sending 2 lip products, one for your girlfriend and one for you, since it's the month of love or the month of friendship. So I might be giving one of these ones either away to one of you guys or to one of my friends. I'm getting a giveaway kind of together, so I might just include one of those in the giveaway. And lastly, I received this little postcard by Atelier Cologne. I guess it's a French brand. I'm sorry, I'm really bad. I don't speak French, so I can't pronounce French words. And it came in this little bag. Ugh. And this is the little perfume sample. Not a huge fan, super strong. It says that it has vanilla from Madagascar, lime from Mexico, and oak moss from Slovenia. La verdad es que it's very vanilla-like. So if you're not really into those sweet kind of older scents, like a little bit more spicy, I don't know if you're going to be a fan of this one, but it's always nice to have one of these ones on your purse whenever you're in a pinch. You can always use one of those little samples to smell good and impress whoever you're trying to impress. Well, and this is just completes my entire box. I have to be honest with you guys, this box this month didn't really impress me. I feel like the lipstick colors, maybe the little one I like, the bigger one, not a huge fan of the actual color. I don't wear like bright pink colors on my lips. I already have the eye balm, so it's nice to have a travel size, but I also feel like this little perfume could have replaced another product, maybe another face product. So I don't know. I will probably give it a 5 out of 10. So this month was okay. Usually it's pretty good, but this month was okay. So that completes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe. Bye bye.